Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Samsung TV. First thing you got to do is open up the menu. Now you're going to head down to Support, Self-Diagnostics, then go all the way down to Reset. And as you guys can see to the side, all settings will return to factory default except the network settings. So press OK. So now you're going to press 4 zeros. If that didn't work for you, that means you might have changed your password, but it should be 4 zeros. And now over here, just go to Yes. Just going to have to wait a few seconds. TV will shut off and turn back on. There you guys have it. If you have any other questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.